I crashed the drone. Let's see if it's okay. Today unfortunately didn't work out. What a great start to the morning. We're about to head out now. We're just packing the last few things, waiting for the clothes over there to dry, and then we'll head out to see where our next adventure is. Let's see. Just before we left, we wanted to give them a token to show our appreciation for allowing us to stay the night, and also for the food that they provided for us. Adriano tried to explain why we wanted to give them something. It's not everyone that just takes in complete strangers and lets them stay the night. Unfortunately, he's told that Adriano, they don't want donkey. Okay, let's get ready to head out. They were the nicest people I've ever seen here. They hosted us and they didn't want us to pay at all, which is amazing. But we're still gonna try to give them something. Bye. We stopped here at the supermarket because we need to dry our clothes over here. It's still wet from washing it last night. So this is how we improvise to make sure it dries. It's almost dry. Last night we put it up to dry, but it's not completely dry yet. So we're gonna stay here for a bit. Hopefully the sun can help us to dry it. Maybe half an hour or so will be okay. Let's see. A rescue mission. I crashed the drone. Let's see if it's okay. Yeah, not too bad. It's okay. It's okay. Minor scratches. The plan was to go here, but then I connected here. But it's okay. Some minor dents and scratches. It's okay. It's okay. It's alive! We made a stop here to have lunch and discuss our future plans. This is what they have. They have all of our favorite foods. They have tofu, they have broccoli, rice bowls, vegetables. Not to the shop. Look at it. Way. The lady said that the hot spring is towards this side, so we'll check it out and see if we can find a place where we can sleep close to here as well. It looks so beautiful, this road, the sun, the trees, the water. This is one of the options that we have. It's not too far away from the hot spring, so that is a good thing. This was by far the best place we could find. This nice lady on the bike gonna show us where we can eat. Let's see where she takes us.
这边可以这。
那边你要吃什么跟他炒嘛。
OK。
那边进去吧。
Okay, that's just where we're dining tonight, I guess. As always, it's always a challenge to decide what we want to eat. This is what we decided on. The thing is, here in China, when you go to restaurants, most of the time they use a lot of oil. Here you can see we ordered cabbage, tofu, eggplant, and potatoes, all soaking in oil.
We're selling 包子馒头。
Oh, bao zi mantou. So we're gonna eat your dogs. Anyway, we're just gonna get something for tomorrow, or for tonight. Get something to drink because we're gonna head to the hot spring now. After this, just get something, and then we're gonna go set up our tents. Maybe we can camp in front of the hot spring. Let's see what we can do, and then enjoy the rest of the night. It is bedtime again. We tried to go to the hot spring, but today unfortunately it didn't work out. We went there and they were not very welcoming. We got there and they said no, because they saw our faces, of course. So we decided to come and to camp instead. Sorry, the light is very bright. So we decided to camp instead, and we found a really nice place. Now I'm in my tent ready for action meaning sleep. So I will catch up with you again tomorrow. I'll show you what's gonna happen tomorrow. Another adventure. Let's do it.